Good morning, student. Today we will do the next topic of trigonometry, that is the trigonometric ratio of some specific angle. There are some specific angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now, so first of all, we will make trigonometric table. That is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. You will learn this table, or either you will make this table by this method. This is the simple method to make this table. Write 0 to 4, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide by 4, that will be 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. This 4 and 4 cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So it will be 0, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 1. Take square root. Square root of 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 4 is 2, 1 is 1, 2 is root 2, this is root 2, this is 2, this is root 3, this is 2, this is 1. So this is the 5 values of sine. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 upon 2, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, sine 90 is 1. Now write in reverse form. This one cos 0 is 1, this root 3 upon 2, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, this is 1 upon root 2, this is 1 upon 2 and this is 0. This become the value of cos 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now tan. In case of tan, we will divide it sin upon cos, that is 0 upon 1, that is 0. This 2 and 2 cancel, it become 1 upon root 3. This whole value cancel, 1, 2 and 2 cancel, that is root 3. And this is 1 upon 0, that is a not defined. It is written as not defined. Cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined, so it will be not defined. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2, reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is root 2, it will be 2 upon root 3, reciprocal of 1 is 1. Cos is reciprocal of sec. So reciprocal of 1 is 1, 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2, reciprocal of 0 is not defined. 10, 10 is reciprocal of cot, reciprocal of 0 is not defined. 1 upon root 3 becomes root 3, 1 root 3, its reciprocal is 1 upon root 3. When reciprocal of 0 is not defined, reciprocal of not defined is 0. So this is a trigonometric table. You will learn this trigonometric table, or you will make the trigonometric table before solving the question. Now we will prove some trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. Consider a right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A is equal to 45 degree. This is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree, this is 45 degree. So angle C is 180 minus angle A plus angle B. So 180 minus 45 plus 90, 180 minus 135, so 45 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C. So, opposite of angle A is BC, opposite of angle C is AB, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Let BC is equal to AB is equal to x. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So it is x square plus x square, it become 2x square, and AC is equal to square root 2x square, that is x root 2. Now we can find out any value of 45 degree. Sine, so it is x is x root 2. Sine 45 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So x upon x root 2. This cancel it, 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 base upon hypotenuse, base is AB upon AC, x upon x root 2, that is 1 upon root 2. Tan 45 perpendicular upon base, it will be BC upon AB, that is x upon x, that is equal to 1. So, any value can be asked in board examination. Generally, in board examination, question asked prove geometrically cos 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2, or sin 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. So, when in board examination the question is asked by this way, so you will do it this thing and then find out the value of sin or cos which is asked in the board examination.